Shalom, may the good Lord be with you. Let us begin our day with a short prayer. Mighty Lord, help me to move deeper in you. Help me to experience your love. Help me to understand your love. Help me to walk in your love in all the moments of my life. Bring my life to fulfillment so that I may walk according to your commandments. I may walk according to your desire. Lord, let it not be my will, but let it be your will. Lord, I pray for all these people who are gathered here today. Lord, touch their life right now. Let in everything may they experience divine grace and power. Haraba shala gala gara baba baba shiri gala 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 bala gala gara baba shiri gala 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 gara haraba shiri gala 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 gara baba shiri gala gala gara baba baba shiri di di di. Let us continue meditating on the subject of spiritual growth. We were meditating on the subject of love. Love is a powerful instrument of God. It helps us to grow deeper in the Lord. The Word of God says that due to love, the Lord sacrificed everything, even His only Son, and He sacrificed His Son unto Himself. Now, let us meditate on how I and you can experience God's love. The sacrifice of Jesus is one entry point to all Christians to experience God's mighty love. Second point of reference is the cross. Many times we fail to understand and experience the glory of God through the cross. Now, I am not going to speak about many symbols or many places where I and you can experience God through different forms or ways. But I would like to give each person an example and a thought for food. One way I and you can experience God is being aware of who is with me. Suppose I am going to a place to purchase something and I do not know what I want, and I think in my heart that I should purchase a particular item, and I go there and I purchase. And after I purchase, I come to know that I do not have sufficient money and somebody else comes and pays for me, at that moment I will be thanking God for all the good things that I have experienced. But many times in my life, when I do not see the help and the favor of God in my life, I am not able to experience and thank God for the love that I experience. Therefore, we understand through this example that we must have the awareness of God, and having the awareness of God will help us to love God truly. Without having the awareness of God, I and you might pray a lot. I and you might seek the Lord for many hours a day. But if I and you do not have the awareness of God, which is the first step to experience God's love in my life, I and you will not be able to see the intangible things that happen around us and in the spiritual realm that are causing us these blessings. So let us meditate on this subject. How can I be able to practice God's presence in my life? So today, let us all of us practically experience God's glory and try to connect with the Lord. Shalom.